Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by laying out 2 cups Greek yogurt, 1 medium cucumber, about 8 Oz, 2 cloves garlic, 1 tablespoon olive oil, and 1 tablespoon lemon juice on the counter. Grate the cucumber on the coarse side and press in a towel to remove excess water, which prevents a watery salad. Chop or mince 1 tablespoon fresh dill, smash or finely mince the garlic, and measure 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper so all components are ready. Place the drained cucumber into a medium bowl and add the 2 cups Greek yogurt, minced garlic, 1 tablespoon chopped dill, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Stir thoroughly until smooth and evenly mixed, tasting as you go. If it needs more brightness, add up to 1 tsp extra lemon juice. If it seems dry, add up to 1 tsp extra olive oil. If the garlic is very pungent, let the tzatziki rest 10 to 30 minutes. Chill the tzatziki for at least 30 minutes so flavors harmonize, then serve cold with warm pita, raw vegetables, grilled meats, or as a sandwich spread. Portion into a serving bowl and drizzle a small extra 1 tsp olive oil on top and sprinkle a pinch of chopped dill for presentation. Store leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 4 days and stir before serving. For variations, fold in 1 tablespoon chopped mint, 1 diced scallion, or a pinch of cumin for a different profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.